All right, there are 4 good reasons to do this DIY. Easy, cheap, no tools, maybe ladder, less than 45 seconds, huge impact. Let's get into it. All right, the goal today is to get rid of 4 ugly lights in this house. We're gonna get rid of this ugly light in the hallway, this bad light in the bathroom, and another ugly light in this bathroom. Okay, this ugly light isn't even really a light. It's pretty much just a trim piece. You pull down and you've got these retention clips that you squeeze together and it releases them. I'm showing you a close-up of what I'm looking at now. And inside there is just a ugly, ugly light bulb. So get rid of that light bulb. This was the easy part. Let's move on. All right, easy, cheap. All right, it doesn't get much cheaper than this. $5.50. This is an LED retrofit kit. If you go to a big box store, probably $15, $16. Down below, Amazon link, you can get these a lot cheaper. You can even adjust the brightness from 2700K, which is warm white, 6000K, which is hospital white. I go with warm white. You've got an adapter here that screws right into that light bulb socket. And then you drop test it and it passed. And then you've got your retention clips. Squeeze these retention clips and they go into those tabs that's in that housing that I showed you earlier. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now and show you what I'm talking about. All right, this is gonna be the most satisfying room of probably all the rooms. Got a 2022 tub surround with this 1987 light. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I'm gonna do this in real time just to show you how easy this is. I said a minute, I think it's less than a minute. So you just pull this down, you pinch those tabs, unscrew the light bulb, another ugly one, race against the clock, and then you screw this one in, let that spin, because that's what you did up there, and you pinch. I'm showing you close-ups of all this, obviously, and you push it in. I mean, come on, how easy is that? Let's do some more. Light. There's that one. All right, we got 2 more lights. Let's really speed it up. God, so bad. So much better. Man, that was easy, cheap, no tools, and under 45 seconds, I think. Hope you had a light bulb moment in this video. Check out the link for these lights. I would love for you to subscribe, check out some of my other videos. That's it for this edition of How To Cube. We'll see you next time.